In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share your Wistia video content with others. Whether you're looking to share with colleagues, friends, or a wider audience, it's crucial to do it right to ensure that your video is viewed as intended. So, let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to log in to your Wistia account. If you already have your credentials handy, great. Once you're logged in, navigate to the media page. This is the hub for all your video content, and from here you can select the specific video that you want to share. Now that you've found your desired video, you'll notice a few options on the screen. What we're looking for is the Share button, which is usually situated in the top right corner of the media page. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking, you'll see a Share modal or section appear. This is where the magic happens when it comes to sharing your video. To generate a link to your video, select the Share Link option. This will allow you to either create a new link or copy an existing one, depending on your preference and past uses. Before you go ahead and copy the link, Wistia gives you some handy options to customize your viewer's experience. If you'd like your video to begin at a specific point, simply check the box that says Link to a specific time and enter the timestamp you prefer. This can be particularly useful if there's a specific segment you want your viewers to focus on. Additionally, you have the ability to set the privacy of your video or its folder. You can choose to make it publicly accessible, commonly known as unlocking it, or keep it private. Consider who your intended audience is and whether you'd want your video to be broadly accessible or limited to select viewers. With all these settings in place, it's time to finalize things. Copy the link that has been generated. Once you have it, you can share it wherever you see fit, be it through email, on your social media platforms, or directly to individuals. This ensures that your audience has access to your content in a manner that's convenient and tailored to their viewing habits. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Wistia video just the way you wanted. By following these steps, you ensure that your video reaches your audience with the options and privacy settings you've carefully considered. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.